Hi, welcome to a quick overview of Maltego Graph. In order to show you Maltego Graph, I first want to give you an overview of the whole Maltego platform. Maltego is an all-in-one investigation platform, and Maltego Graph is our investigation solution for complex large-scale link analysis investigations. Now, what do you usually face as challenges if you have complex investigations? So the first one is, especially in the OSINT space, data is being dispersed. It can be from social media, dark web breach data, or domain registries. And if you do one of these investigations and they become larger and larger, these sets on data sets are complex to understand. And so if you then actually also do multiple investigations at a time, like these investigations can be very repetitive based on what kind of investigation you do. And this is exactly what Maltego Graph does. It helps you to spot data connections visually very quickly. You can integrate data from various data sources from over 120 data partners, as well as your internal data sources in one ontology. And you can actually automate your repetitive steps within Maltego Graph. So Maltego Graph enables complex link analysis to uncover connections in large data sets in a visually intuitive way. So let me show you how this works. Imagine you have a domain that you need to investigate, and what you can very easily do is you can select from any kind of data source, for example from VirusTotal, to see if this data point has any kind of data within VirusTotal, and you can see that two members of VirusTotal say that this is a malicious domain. But we can go much deeper than that. So we can, for example, now see, okay, is there any kind of who is record, so who did register this domain, and within Maltego you can see within a link that there are a couple of domain registry information, and we can, for example, now pull out the registrant's email address from these registries. So now you might be interested, okay, cool, is for this email address, are there any kind of other domains that have been registered? And what you will be able to see that, oh yeah, like that email address is actually also using more domains. And if that's like a threat actor that you're investigating, you can actually also pull more and more data out now from these registries in order to actually see if there are any kind of more hints that you can get on this threat actor. And we could go deeper and deeper, but I think you get the point. We can actually now merge various data sources together and profile this threat actor within one graph. And this is not only possible, for example, with domains, but we can, for example, also do crypto investigations very quickly to do follow money investigations. We can do corporate investigations right here, bringing them together with person of interest investigations, as well as actually right here, website investigations. This is all connected within platform, or we can actually also pull in an overview of all of the websites that Scientology is running, and you can see this in a very, very visually appealing way, and you can actually see what are central points in these graphs. So summarizing, Maltego Graph is our solution for complex investigations, and it accelerates these complex investigations, no matter if they are OSINT investigations or internal data investigations or both, from hours to minutes.